welcome to another video. Today we are here to show you how to make one of Indonesia's favorite snack that is based on vegetables. That it is called Bakwan or vegetable tempura in English. My name is Muhammad Satria Hadi.
My name is Vivi Priscilia.
My name is Agadia Sati.
And we are group 1. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, here is one of the ingredients, that is garlic paste. This is cilantro. This is scallions, carrot, a half of cabbage, chicken stock powder, a whole flour, and some cooking oil. First step is cutting up the vegetables to very little pieces, so you won't get too much of anything in the bakwan. So now until it's very clean. Next step is to peel up the outside layers of the carrots, so we don't get any dirty parts of the carrot. Then after we peel it, we should chop it into very little pieces.
Oh, salah tuh, bagi dua dulu.
Udah habis, udah pause. Okay, the next step is to wash all the vegetables to let out all the excess dirt and make sure it's very clean and healthy for us. Okay, next step is to add the flour. Make sure the dough is not too thick or not too watery, so it will have a nice texture in it. And we add a little bit of spice. Okay, now we add a little bit of garlic paste to add more flavor into it, and some water. Okay, now we mix all the ingredients together. After we mix it, then we should start cooking the bakwan dough. Okay, now that the dough is ready, it's already mixed, it's already add some seasoning into it. Now let's get to the part where we cook the bakwan. Okay guys, here is the final product. If you want to try making this, you can look in the YouTube channel, watch it fully, and then you can understand how to make bakwan. Here is the final product with all the sauces and a little bit garnish on it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment it what you think about the video, and I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.